No ko tataake nei I kōrero atu ai mātou ki tētahi o ngā hoa tata o Tony Williams arā kia Todd Harawira o te rōpū Sex and Chocolate. Hei tā Harawira, kei te tūmeke katoa te hapori Māori o te Gold Coast I te kohurutanga o tētahi o rātou. I kōrero a Roy Hananuri kia Todd Harawira.
Tūtaki mai ki te pēne waiata o Sex and Chocolate. Ko Paul Thompson rāua ko Todd Harawira kei te tū. Ko Kevin Kepa rāua ko Tony Williams e tū turi ana. Engari I nāia nei kei te mū te reo waiata a Tony Williams.
It's been quite hard for Paul too because he's really close to Tony. Tony was like a little brother to Paul and he rang me upset and which made me upset as well and just said, bro, someone murdered our bro. Someone hit him over the back of the head with whatever weapon they used and just left them.
It's too early to say at this stage. The investigation's continuing. We've got a large contingent of detectives working on it.
And when your whānau gets taken from you, when it's unexpected, it sort of hurts twice as much. And I've just woken up from not being able to sleep for a couple of days, bro. And yeah, every minute's a bit different of the day, and sometimes it's good, and then there's a lot of, I think, more times we're sad and break down. And
You know, what was Tony like on stage? You performed with him a number of times.
yes, he's very charismatic performer. It was a real pleasure singing with Tony over a number of years. Very well known on the Gold Coast. He was quite a ladies' man. Had a very handsome Māori boy who had a lot of the Gold Coast women running after him, which was quite hilarious to us, to all the boys. But that was Tony.
We don't have a motive, so it's probably too early to speculate at this stage on what the reason was or who the offender is, but we would certainly seek the assistance of the public in this regard.
Kaore anō kia tau ngā whakaritenga mo te tangihana, engari ia tērā te tūmana kua ngā hoa tata, ka tū tētihi poroporoa ki mōna ki te pāpaka nui a Māui, I mua o tana wehenga atu ki te wā kāinga nei. Roy Hananuri, Te Karere.